So, you've been working for a while and you've got a decent amount of money in your super. Have you ever thought how nice it would be to be in control of your own super money? Here at Quantum, we help our clients set up their own self-managed super fund. Then, you can choose to invest in whatever assets you like. Shares, ETFs, foreign currency, bonds, it's up to you. But did you know you can also leverage against an investment property? For over 30 years, Quantum has been helping clients build their wealth through property investing and with a self-managed super fund. You can too. Worried you may not have enough to get started? Well, you can combine super with up to 3 friends or family members to create your own fund. Imagine putting your super money into an investment property that can create serious wealth for you in the future. Call Quantum today on 1300 360 949 or visit www.quantumwealthplan.com.au. We make your money work harder for you.